Hello everyone, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Daewoo Puma 250LMB. This machine comes with a Fanuc 18T control. It's got a 12-inch 3-jaw hydraulic Kitagawa chuck with big bore. It's got over 50 inches in distance between centers, C-axis, 12-station live tooling turret with plenty of tooling, programmable hydraulic tailstock, chip conveyor. For full specifications, I will list it in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the Daewoo Puma 250LMB. For further questions, call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.